What's that? Is that camera?
It's a little
That's cool. I've never seen it.
It's a little Sony action camera.
Wow.
So I can get, just take a.
Oh, cool, man. That's very James Bond.
Really. So it's like Kenny Roberts' bike here. So people come from all over the country to look at this.
To look at this bike. This is
Kenny Roberts bike.
This is it.
People, it's amazing.
Hey. All for like he was like
he would have been
like the Tiger Woods of dirt bike racing, or the.
No, more like an Arnold Palmer, I'd say.
Okay.
Yeah, more like an Arnold Palmer.
All right.
Yeah. Rossi is more like Tiger Woods.
I just heard stories like how his foot peg broke off and he still beat his competition with his foot hanging.